Well, I know there's been bigger fish caught in Florida, but apparently the official record, if you go on Google, is 9.2 pounds and 31.5 inches. We're going to measure this fish. I'm not going to weigh it, but let's just measure it and see for comparison's sake. 34 inches. 34. So that's a pretty big fish. Yep, exactly 34 inches. So I think you might have caught yourself at least a few years ago. It would have been a Florida record. So well done, buddy. It's a nice fish. All right, let's fillet this boy up.
The meat actually wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Look at that nice white meat. Really good. Ah. Now that's a perfect snakehead fillet right there. So we're just going to cut it into chunks and then we're going to fry it on the open stove. So nice little fillets like that. Beautiful. Look at that meat. Wow. Let's head to the prep table inside and to the fryer. So pretty simple. I'm getting the oil probably about just half an inch in the pan, getting that super hot. Make sure it's really hot first. And then very simple, Louisiana fish fry and some magic, seafood magic savory blend. Simple as that. Dust them up, pop them in there, and we should be good to eat in about 10 minutes. All right, we've got our pan nice and hot here. And quickly do a quick dusting, straight in the pan. All right, here we go.
This is actually looking pretty promising.
All right, here we go. Some beautiful medallions of snakehead. Yeah. These look so good, perfectly cooked. White meat. You're not going to find this in any restaurant in South Florida. Only found exclusively at Casa de Curry in West Palm Beach. And we are doing the environment a favor by eating these invasive species. How's that? Tuck in, boys. There you go. Snakehead for dinner. Zulu, you want some snakehead? Come on. Wow, totally surprised at how good this tastes. You know, almost tastes like snapper. What a great adventure, spending the morning out catching snakeheads, targeting a species, coming back, cooking dinner, and just a wonderful time with the family. Join us next week again for Hooked on the Palm Beaches. Delicious.